Well, today I have to change this tire. I would like to work on my shop and the power and everything, but I bought this place and it's got an acre of grass I gotta mow. The previous owner left me 5 riding lawnmowers, none of which worked, and I've since gotten 2 working. One doesn't have a deck, so I use it as a garden tractor. And then this one has a deck. I got it running, but this tire keeps losing air. I put a tube in it, but for some reason I keep getting holes in the tube. So now the only option is to pull the tire off. I bought a set of these tire iron things, so I just gotta work it off. Oh, another thing is the reason I have to do this is I can't get the wheels off. They're rusted on. So now I have to try and find a way here to pop that bead off. Press the tire a little bit. Yep. Get all the way. Spoon it that way. Just bring it back. It's working. There. Okay, so that's all the back room. I gotta do the same thing this side. Oops. Now I gotta get the bead over the rim. Not bending my knee too much. Work around. There we go. So that enough now. I put a tube in here, trying to see if I can get stop leaking my tube in. Earlier, you get holes in the tube and still leak. You get 2 minutes. Get this out. Okay, tube out. I gotta get this back rim. Bead over back rim. Same thing back here. There we go. Okay. Let me get this. I'll put it down. Here. Okay, now get this rim off. I'll get my head. Sorry about that. Okay, tire's off. Okay, I need to put in a new valve stem, and that came with the kit. These that the wrenches came in. Gently grab a hold of it and rock it back and forth until it pops in place. There it goes. Okay, now I cleaned up the rim as best I could. It's got a little rust on it in spots that could cause it to leak, but it is what it is. So now I gotta try and put on the new tire. Now I lubed up this tire with a little bit of wire pulling lubricant. It's kind of a soap stuff. You can use any kind of soapy stuff you got, but the trick is to get it to slide on there and get it to, okay, you gotta, one thing is, I found, you gotta get it, this inside rim here, past the rim and into the center of the hub. Otherwise, the diameter is too big. Now, we just gotta try and work it on there. Okay, by sheer wonder and amazement, somehow it just popped on. You get to a certain point, it just wants to fall on there. So what I did finally is I got this smaller C-clamp, and that helped hold the rim, the tire from falling off where I've already got it started. So now we're going to try the same thing. Now, like I said, you got to get this first part way past the rim. Okay, that took way longer than I thought it would, but once you get it worked around, it eventually fell on. The other one only took about 5 minutes. That took about half an hour. So you got to get the tire up on the bead. They say you can clamp a belt in the middle, tighten it up, and it'll force it up on there. I didn't have success with that. These tires are so cupped to begin with. So I'm going to do a method that's, you don't want to try at home. It's not very smart. Don't say I didn't tell you so. I'm going to give it a squirt up here. Okay. Now I'm going to, that didn't work. There it goes. Like I say, not the smartest thing in the world, but you can see it got it up on the bead all the way around. Trick is getting it to light off. So now put the valve stem back in, and then we'll air it up with regular air and see if she holds. Okay. Okay, I filled it up with air. I put some soapy water around the rim. See if it's leaking anywhere. I don't see any leaks there. No leaks on the inside. So I think we're good. That was a pain in the butt. Now I can go back to working on my shop.